Stock market roller coaster, hold on to your hats. The stock market can be a wild ride, full of ups and downs, twists and turns. Just like a roller coaster, it can be thrilling and terrifying all at once. Ever looked at the stock market and felt a mix of excitement and terror? One moment you're on top of the world and the next, you're plummeting into the depths of uncertainty. It's a whirlwind of emotions that can leave even the most seasoned investors feeling a bit dizzy. Like you're about to ride a roller coaster in the dark? You can't see what's coming next, and every twist and turn catches you by surprise. It's exhilarating, but also a bit nerve-wracking. Yeah, we've all been there. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, the stock market has a way of keeping you on your toes. But that's part of the adventure, right? The thrill of the unknown, the excitement of potential gains, and yes, even the fear of losses. Investing in the stock market can seem like a daunting task, especially for beginners. The charts, the graphs, the endless streams of data, it can all be overwhelming, but don't let that scare you off. Every expert was once a beginner staring at those same confusing numbers. But trust me, it's not rocket science. Well, maybe a little. Just like any new skill, it takes time, patience, and a bit of practice. Think of it as learning to ride a bike. At first it seems impossible, but with a little guidance and a lot of perseverance, you'll get the hang of it. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the wild world of stocks. We'll take it step by step, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand pieces. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. There are plenty of resources and people ready to help you succeed. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, sprinkle in some humor, and before you know it, you'll be navigating the stock market like a pro. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies, making sure you have all the tools you need to make informed decisions. Buckle up, Buttercup, it's time to make some money. With the right knowledge and a bit of courage, you can turn the stock market from a scary roller coaster into a thrilling adventure. So, get ready to take control of your financial future. Ready to dive in? Let's go. The world of investing is waiting for you, full of opportunities and potential rewards. So, take a deep breath, hold on tight, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. The stock market roller coaster is about to begin. Stocks, your piece of the pie, hopefully a tasty one. Imagine a giant apple pie representing a company you love. This pie is not just any pie, it's a symbol of the company's value, its assets, and its potential for growth. Each ingredient in this pie, from the apples to the crust, represents different aspects of the company, like its products, services, and even its employees. Maybe it's that coffee shop with the amazing lattes that brighten your mornings, or the tech giant that makes your smartphone oh so smart and indispensable. These companies are part of your daily life, and you trust them for their quality and innovation. Now imagine that pie is sliced into millions of pieces. Each slice is a small, yet significant part of the whole pie. These slices are like shares of the company, each one representing a fraction of the company's total value. Each piece represents a share of that company's stock. Owning a share means you own a part of the company, no matter how small. It's like having a piece of that delicious pie all to yourself. When you buy stock, you're buying a tiny piece of ownership in that company. This means you have a stake in its future, and your fortunes are tied to its performance. The better the company does, the more valuable your piece of the pie becomes. You become a shareholder, a part owner. This gives you certain rights, like voting on important company decisions and receiving dividends, which are like getting a little extra pie when the company does well. And guess what? As a part owner, you get to share in the company's successes and sometimes failures. When the company grows and profits, you benefit. But if the company faces tough times, your piece of the pie might shrink. That's the stock market in a nutshell. A giant marketplace where companies sell pieces of themselves to investors like you and me. It's a place where you can buy and sell shares, hoping to grow your investment over time. So, next time you think about stocks, remember that you're getting your very own piece of the pie, and hopefully, it's a tasty one. Picking stocks. It's like dating, but with your money. Choosing the right stocks is crucial. It's like dating, but instead of swiping right on a profile, you're investing your hard-earned cash. First, do your research. Look for companies with a solid track record, a strong management team, and a product or service you believe in. Think about it. Would you invest in a company that makes buggy whips in the age of self-driving cars? Probably not. Next, consider factors like industry trends, competition, and even the overall economic climate. It's about finding those hidden gems with the potential to shine. Buying stocks. Let's get this show on the road. So you've done your research and found a company you believe in. Now what? It's time to buy some stock. But before you can start trading, you need a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. There are tons of brokerage firms out there, each with its own fees, features, and platforms. Shop around, compare options, and choose one that suits your needs and budget. Once you've got your brokerage account set up, it's time to place your order. Brokerage Bonanza. Choosing your financial wingman. Choosing the right brokerage is like picking a wingman for your investment journey. It's a crucial decision that can significantly impact your financial future. Just like a good wingman, a good brokerage should have your back, guiding you through the ups and downs of the market. You want someone reliable, trustworthy, and maybe a little bit fun. A brokerage that aligns with your financial goals and personal style can make the investing process not only profitable but also enjoyable. There are two main types: full-service brokerages and discount brokerages. Each comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and understanding these can help you make an informed choice. Full-service brokerages are like the five-star hotels of the investing world. They offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to cater to your every need. They provide personalized advice, in-depth research reports, and even some fancy amenities. Imagine having a dedicated financial advisor who knows your portfolio inside out and can offer tailored recommendations. But all that luxury comes at a price: higher fees. These fees can eat into your returns, so it's essential to weigh the benefits against the costs. Discount brokerages, on the other hand, are more like budget-friendly motels. They offer the essentials without the frills, making them a cost-effective choice for many investors. They provide a basic platform for trading with lower fees but fewer bells and whistles. This can be ideal for those who prefer a hands-on approach and don't need extensive guidance. Which one is right for you? The answer depends on your investing style, experience level, and how much hand-holding you need. If you're a seasoned investor who enjoys diving into market research, a discount brokerage might be sufficient. However, if you're new to investing or prefer having expert advice at your fingertips, a full-service brokerage could be worth the extra cost. Ultimately, the best brokerage for you is one that aligns with your financial goals, offers the level of support you need, and fits within your budget. So take your time, do your research, and choose your financial wingman wisely. Placing your order: you buy, they sell, or vice versa. Placing a stock order is easier than ordering pizza. But instead of pepperoni and extra cheese, you're deciding how much stock to buy and at what price. You can place a market order which buys or sells the stock at the current market price. Or, you can place a limit order which only executes the trade if the stock reaches your desired price. It's like setting a price alert for your favorite shoes. You'll only buy them when they're on sale. Once your order is placed, the brokerage will match you with a seller, or buyer, and voila, you're officially a stockholder. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if it's a wobbly one. Imagine putting all your money into one stock, only to have that company go belly up. Ouch, that's gotta hurt. That's why diversification is key. It's like having a backup plan, but for your investments. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, especially if it's a wobbly one, spread your investments across different companies, industries, and asset classes. Think of it as creating a safety net for your portfolio. If one investment takes a hit, the others can cushion the blow. Remember, diversification is your friend. Rookie mistakes: we've all been there, but let's avoid them. Anyway, even seasoned investors make mistakes, but let's try to avoid some common rookie blunders. First up, emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Stick to your investment plan, and don't panic sell at the first sign of a market dip. Next, avoid chasing hot tips or following the herd. Just because everyone's jumping on the bandwagon doesn't mean it's a good investment. Do your research and make informed decisions. And lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're feeling lost or overwhelmed, consult with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance and help you navigate the complexities of the market. Investing tips. Wisdom from your financially savvy Uncle Jim. Now that you're ready to conquer the stock market, here are some golden nuggets of wisdom from yours truly. Start small and gradually increase your investments. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning portfolio. Invest for the long term. Don't expect to get rich quick. Patience is key in the investing game. Reinvest your earnings. Let the power of compounding work its magic. Stay informed and review your portfolio regularly. The market is constantly changing, so stay up to date and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, stay disciplined, and enjoy the ride. Join the club. Let's make some money, honey. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of Stock Market 101. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to start your investing journey. Remember, investing in the stock market can be a roller coaster ride, but with the right approach and a little bit of luck, you can come out on top. So what are you waiting for? Open that brokerage account, start researching companies, and let's make some money, honey. And don't forget to follow me for more financial tips, market insights, and maybe even a few dad jokes along the way. See you on the trading floor.